Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Monday. It is day 84, the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us.
And we're out here in our front yard about to show you something pretty cool.
So guys, if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different projects around our yard while we're under quarantine.
And thank you so much for being here and watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.
Today, we wanted to update you on our Gladiolus bulbs. We planted them back on May 5th and we released a video that showed how we planted them all and how you can get it done too in your garden on May 16th. And you can find that video on our channel.
And we're excited to show you what they look like now because it's only been a little over a month since we got these bulbs in the ground, and you should see how tall they already are.
Along with showing you how well they're growing, we're also going to give you some tips on what their needs are so you can grow them the best you can in your garden too. Between these two Shasta daisies, some of our Gladiolus bulbs. We planted these in a 6 or 7 bulb grouping and we placed them together pretty close, a little bit closer than the recommended spacing called for. Our Gladiolus bulbs are planted in full sun. This is a full sun area of our bed in our front yard, and they like to be regularly watered while they're growing and flowering. So that means we're out here watering about once every other day or so, depending on how much rain we got the last couple days.
Here's another grouping of our Gladiolus bulbs, and you can see how healthy they look. They're very green, they're getting a lot of nutrients from our soil. We planted them in well-draining soil that is very nutrient rich, and plus we have all this mulch over the top, probably a good 2 inches. They're really loving their home. Got a little one coming in here too. But you can see, yeah, they're really loving it. They get full sun here, just like the other bunch we showed you. And we're pretty excited for them to flower. Okay, you guys, so those are our Gladiolus bulbs at this point. And again, they've been in the ground for a little over a month and we're really excited about the progress they're making. If you want to see how we planted them, go ahead and check out our earlier video called How to Plant Gladiolus Bulbs. Again, Sean mentioned it was published on May 16th.
Definitely leave your comments and questions below for us so we can get right back to you. Give us that thumbs up button so we know we're doing a good job. And subscribe to our channel so you get updates on all our newest videos.
And thank you again for watching and being here, everybody. We really appreciate it. We hope you're doing well. We hope you're staying safe. And just remember, busy hands equals busy minds.
We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.